Davide Presti from University of Palermo, and I'm here because I do appreciate what Martin does, because I do believe that the products that he created with so much passion and forward thinking and also generosity to share what he learned can be valuable to anyone doing science, particularly because they would allow you to first of all question yourself: am I communicating my results, my research, what I do in the best way possible, so that people can get to it, can actually read what I do or understand better who I am and what can I do in the future with them eventually. And this came from having similar question that I had in the past. I do kind of similar courses for PhD students, but then I found that Martin's created a structure to it, books, online courses, and this makes also teaching and transfer this type of knowledge much easier. So I invited Martins in my university here, University of Palermo. Now we are here. In the past was online, now it's live, and different type of audience appreciate what he does. I had feedback, just a different feedback from PhD student, master student, colleagues, so different level of researchers. And what he offers, it's a suite of different approaches, results, experiences that cost a little, but they can enrich, just to give the right value to it. But I believe I can enrich immensely the research growth, the research career growth of especially early stage researchers, but I would say also experienced researchers that understand that we always have to learn will be incredibly enriched by tips, tools, and also the different tools that he created, not only tools indicated to find it online. So thank you, Martins, for doing what you do.